Everyone, this is Tim from US6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Xbox Remote Play on your phone. And this is kind of annoying the way they did this. So on your Xbox, you need to go to Settings and then go down to Devices and Connections and go to Remote Features right here. And make sure Enable Remote Features is turned on, and then go to Power Options and make sure it is activated to sleep mode. And you have to make sure your phone and your Xbox are on the same network. So once you have everything set up, you need to go to the Xbox app on your phone now. So here's the Xbox app, and then sign in. And then go to the Xbox symbol in the top right. And then go to set up a console. And then go to add existing console. And then go to next. And it should detect your Xbox. Now if you get this screen right here where it says turn on your Xbox and it doesn't do anything, go to remote features and disable this. And then come back to the screen and do this process again, and it'll force you to enable on your Xbox. So your problem is you haven't enabled for some reason. I don't know why that's a problem. But if we have our Xbox set up now and we go back up here, you can see my Xbox is turned on. How to use remote features. It says you can't do it through the app anymore, which is really lame. So you need to go to xbox.com/remote play on your phone or your computer or something like that. So I have it up on this web browser. Go to xbox.com/remote play. My Xbox will show up under here now that I have it linked. So I can just tap on this and it should go the sideways here. And then I can play remote play on the Xbox through the internet browser. I just go to xbox.com/remote play and it should connect and start working, so you can see everything on here. And it works quite well. It's just annoying you can't do it through the app anymore. So you can see the latency. So let's move back and forth. Actually, it seems pretty good. So if you have your Xbox connected with a wire, you should be good to go. And the latency won't be bad whatsoever. So just make sure you have your same Wi-Fi, and then you should be good. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.